everyone, welcome to my channel. So in our last two sessions, we'll deal with the statistic topic, that also of measure of central tendency. In measure of central tendency, we know that there are three, that is mean, mode, median. So in mean there are three methods and we deal already with the two methods, that they are direct method and assignment method. We are going to deal today with this deviation method. So subdeviation method will have the formula as A plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into H. So this is the formula we use when we are doing the problem with using this method. So let's take a problem by we'll do the answer solution by doing the step deviation method. So normally in exams we'll get so many different types of questions. So in that when the questions will have one particular number in question, normally we'll get like this. We'll get class intervals, we'll get frequency. Normally in some types questions they'll not get they'll get an unknown factor in the frequency. When they'll give an unknown factor, surely they'll give an particular numerical or number of frequency equals to so and so number. Like that, they'll surely give in the question. So now the question which we are dealing with, they gave that the number of frequency is 54. They gave the question in the question as the number of frequency equals to 54. So let's do the problem. Let's take a question as 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100. So this is the question, class intervals. So F5 equals to, I am taking as 7, P, 10, 9, 13. So in particular questions they'll give the unknown value like P in frequencies. So as usual we have to do the problem. So next we have to find out class marks. How you find? We have to average this by 2. So you'll get 10, 30. You have to do for all these. So 10, 30, 50, 70, 90. I am taking an assumed value as 50. So this is the assumed value. Now we have to do di is equals to xi minus ca. So xi we got a this as, these are all xi's and this is the a. So you will get here minus 40, minus 20, 0, 20, 40. And this every problem I said in every method, and column will add. In this particular method we will get the ui. The column added is ui. Xi minus a by h. In this particular column you have to do this. These are all the xi values and you have to divide these all by h. Here h is 20. So in this particular problem the h is 20. So xi minus a by h, minus 40 by 20. So minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. If you need a better clarification that how I am doing these, better you see my last sessions. So next, Fi ui. You have to multiply these values and these values. Next, minus 14, minus p, and 0, 9, 26. So we have to add these values and these values. When we add, we get 39 plus p, and here 21 minus p. So here just the problem is over, and we have to just substitute the values which we got in this problem in the formula. We know the formula as a plus sigma Fi ui by sigma Fi into h. So a we know as 50 plus we know this Fi ui as 21 minus p, and Fi as 39 plus p, and h as 20. And we have to equate this value here to the formula. Let's calculate. 54, I am sending this to here, minus 50, and I am multiplying numerator with the h. So we'll get, when we'll multiply this value with this, we'll get 420 minus 20p by 39 plus p. So this gives you 4 into 420 minus 20p by 39 plus P. Let's keep this value this side into 4. 20P. So when we add 39 into 4, you will get 156. 156 plus P equals to 420 minus 20P. So I am rubbing these values. Let's continue the problem. So here we got that. Here you will get that 4P. 4P, I am sending these values this side, plus 20P equals to 420. We have already here 420. I am sending this value that side, it will become minus 156. You will get 24P equals to 264. P equals to 11. So in this way, step deviation method is done. And for this problem, in this way you will get the answer. So the 3 methods are completed. Now I am going to say mode. So in mode, this is the second topic in the measure of central tendency. Mean is completely over, and for mode and median we don't have some kinds of method. There is only one method for that. In this particular session, I am only going to deal with mode, and in next session I will say about median and graphs. Okay. Mode. Yeah. Mode. So in mode, this is second topic of the measure of central tendency. So in this, the formula is L into F1 minus F0 by 2 into F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So in question they will also ask us that you have to simplify this particular, you have to explain in 1 mark or 2 marks. They will ask you to they have to say about this. So I am going to take a problem and do this particular sum. How to do the problem when they'll ask you to do with mode. So I am just writing here formula as L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So I am taking a problem. In this particular mode, we have only 2 columns. These columns are given already in question. They'll give us xi. Xi values I am taking as 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, and 45 to 55. And Fi, they'll use the frequency. In this particular question, they gave 6, 11, 21, 23. Sorry. In here, 23, 14, and 5. The question is given like this. We have to find out the values. These are values we have to find it in this particular question, and we have to substitute in the formula. You get off. So first L. L will be found in First we have to find the F. So this is the highest frequency. The highest value is this one. So this will become, in the frequencies, this is the highest value. So this will become as F1. And what do you mean by F0 and F2? This is F2 and this is F0. Sorry. This is F2 and this is F0. So how I am saying that this is F0 and this is F2. The preceding value is called F0 and the succeeding value is called F2 of the model class. This is the model class because this is the highest value and we got this as F1. So this will become L. So we got all the values. H we know. H is 15 minus 5, that is 10. So H is 10. So this one. Let's try to substitute the formula. So you'll get 35 plus F1 as 23 minus 21 by 2 into 23 minus F0 we have 21 minus this is 14 and into 10. 35 plus 2 by 46 minus 35 into 10. So you will get 35 plus 2 by, you will get this as 11 into 10. So 35 by 1 plus 20 by 11 gives you 36.8. This when we get not when we don't get the exact value, you will have to write approximate APP. Then the particular person who will correct the paper will give you marks. So in this particular session, I am just said that about the third method of this mean, that is step deviation method, and the mode. In next class we are going to know median and other topic, that is graphs. So if you like my video, please try to like and share and comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody.